What should I do to plug the talk box into the piano? I know! Genie helps! I got all the groceries all packed! Who gets me out of this jar? I need your help plugging in the talk box! Oi, slow down! You may know how to plug in the talk box.
Show me how!
Fine, I'll show you how it works. You take this cord and plug it into the tiny hole. Next, use the other cord and plug it into here, along with this cord as well. Finally, place the tube onto the talk box pedal. It's that simple. Why don't you put your tube on your mouth and see how your voice feels? Whatever you say, pal.
Oh my god, I never wanted to do it.
Gracious me! I'm glad that it works! Now are you gonna send me back into the jar?
No, you're going in the new.
Huh?
Why am I in the piano? Why do I have an unknown voice? Hey, what are you doing? Stop putting your fingers on the keyboard.